Hey guys, welcome to the channel once again. In this video, I'll show you how can you create category or you can tag your post with category tag. So coming to the WordPress panel, for if you want to create a new category, come to the post, come to the category section and create new one if you need. Or you can see the existing created categories defined with their keywords. So for example, if you want to create new one, you can create, and if you want to merge, edit, or whatever the changes you want to make, you can click over this keywords. So for example, I want to tag a post with SEO keyword. So how to do that, let's see. So first, coming to the dashboard of my WordPress, then if I want to tag a post with SEO keyword, how to do, let's see. So first, I'm creating a title, SEO boost technique, I would say, and just making it rough so you can actually have an idea how does it actually work. Okay, so putting paragraph and paragraph, and that's all, I guess. So you can add pictures and so many things if you want to highlight within the post. It's all up to you. Okay, so now how to tag this post. I'm just assuming this is a post you want to write or you want to tag with this SEO keyword. So to tag, you need to come down to this document section right over this place, and you need to come under to the categories section. Then you need to find the keyword or the category tag which you have created. Select the category, publish, and all done. So now if someone comes over this menu bar and clicked over this clicks over this keyword, he will be able to see the post. So this is how you can create categories and you can tag with them defined category keywords. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it was helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.